This is our 27-foot sport cruiser. This is our entry line for a cabin cruiser, while you still have the availability or the agility of driving your 27-footer. So you can either have it on the lake, or it's perfect for the Mediterranean, for example, in Italy. But you know, with the design and the unique characteristics of an NX boat, which obviously starts with the gourmet area. We have the biggest platform, swim platform for a 27-footer, while maintaining a little bit of a cabin space, so it sleeps two. I mean, this boat as a 27-footer, I mean, we can have 11 people here during the day and then at night too. So welcome to our 270 Sport Coupe.